everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here I'm going to be giving you my honest review. I have ordered Amazon basic speaker. If you want to know this Amazon basic speaker is good to buy or not, then you can watch this video till end. And friends, before we were starting this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. As you can see here friends, I buy this speaker under $439. And now let's check under the box. If you want to know under the box, then here under the box I got this speaker, this mini speaker, and the user manual. Under user manual here it shows the how to connect, the feature specifications, and the warranty. If you want to check the warranty, then you can check through this manual user. And now let's check the design of this speaker. So here, if you want to know about the design of this speaker friends, here you can see the design. It's very beautiful and the color is black and white. Here as you can see, it's very beautiful, not white, it's silver. This Amazon Basic 2.0 multimedia speaker for PC, it's you can connect through laptop, mobile phones, and PC. Even for the PC also you can connect. Here is the volume down and up button, and if you want to watch how the voice or audio of the bass under the speaker, then let's connect the speaker. Here it's the cable wire of the speaker, and now I'm going to just connect the speaker. First of all friends, if you want to know about the little bit of the speaker, then here it's ultra portable, it's small size as you can see here. Now let's connect the speaker. Here you just need to insert this wire and this one here. After that, let's play music. Now friends, let's try to plug in over the mobile phones. Okay, now let's play through the mobile phones. Here, not this mobile phone, I have to insert two different mobile phones. And now let's play the music. As you can hear, the audio of this speaker, it's perfect and good. It's crystal and clear. I don't even increase the bass, but it's too good friends. It's worth for money. I'll say that you should buy it. So friends, if you like it, then you can like the video and subscribe my channel. You can even check the link on descriptions. And friends, thanks for watching. Bye.